Hi, I'm Tahia. I believe Ivey has had a large impact on my career since I graduated, not only just as a person, but just how my career options and opportunities opened up for me.
Ivey helped me understand the preparation required to see things from other people's perspective. And now in my day-to-day, that's where I spend most of my time.
It opened me to challenge myself in areas that I thought I might not have been pushing myself as hard as I thought I was.
I went in with the mentality that I want to expand my capabilities as a leader. I want to grow myself professionally, and that's carried me throughout the MBA and long past the MBA.
I found that the courses and the content really helped me in my role. Ultimately, I'm in a role right now where I'm managing people and I have to really adapt to different styles of doing business. It was very great to have classmates and professors that can share their insights and how they're dealing with similar challenges in their industries.